crazy, buddy? Hmm? There you go, bud. There you go. It's all good, right? It's all good. Just get all that crazy hair off your bum. Right? Get all that crazy hair off your bum. Yeah, it's fine. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you, lover. Okay? I know it was hot. That was a hot ride here. Here, have some chicken. Here, have some chicken. Good boy. Too big? I'll make it smaller for you. Here you go. Make it smaller. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there's lots of dogs. There's lots of friends. You got used to everything first, okay? Because I don't want you to get stressed out, baby. All right. I'm sorry, that was a stressful thing, wasn't it? Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay, love. I'll let you chill out. Okay? I'll let you chill out. Okay, buddy? Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Okay? You eat your chicken. Okay? You eat your chicken. All right? Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Want some more chicken? Here, have a little bit more chicken later. Okay, I'm going to put it in your bowl, okay? I'm going to put it in your bowl. I'm not sure. Do you want any pieces? That's a good boy. Okay, here. You don't like that piece, do you? Hmm? Okay. Okay, have some more water before I go. Good boy, Connor. Good boy, Connor. Okay. Chicken? Yeah. I know there's dogs here. Come on, Connor. I gotta get that vet collar off of you, okay? I'll take it off later. It's a bit tight, okay? Yeah, it's a bit tight. Yeah. Good boy. Okay, Connor, I'm gonna go. Okay? Irie, you wait. Okay, don't freak out our new little friend. Okay? Good boy. Okay, Connor, I see you later, Connor.